The Dreame X50 Ultra, which is linked in the video description, is an advanced robotic vacuum that combines powerful features for a more efficient cleaning experience. Its retractable LiDAR navigation module ensures precise fit even in tight or low clearance spaces. Additionally, with a 6 cm threshold clearance, it effortlessly navigates over various floor types, making it ideal for homes with minor obstructions and larger thresholds. The X50 Ultra also features a dual brush roller system with anti-hair tangling conical design, making it perfect for homes with pets by efficiently collecting pet hair and human hair while reducing maintenance needs. These features make the Dreame X50 Ultra a top choice for those looking for an intelligent and efficient cleaning solution.